Good morning, YouTube. I'm just here to do a quick video. I'm gonna carry y'all with me to the football game today. Both of my boys, two of my boys play football. It is 7:26. We have to be in Atmore. Say hey.
Yes, I always tackle.
We have to be in Atmore at 8. They play at 9. The other son got to be there at 10. They play at 11. So we'll be there all day.
Some more hours.
So yeah, so what we're about to do now is pack up everything and get ready. I'm gonna show you some of the things that I'm packing up.
Yes.
And then I'm gonna get ready and I'll get back with y'all and we'll get on the road. So
yes,
see y'all in a bit. So let me show you what I gotta pack up. I gotta pack up the cooler. I don't think I'm gonna need my tent, but I'm gonna pack my tent and my cooler. I have some cooling rags, some Gatorade and waters.
Yeah, can you put ice in it?
And I'm gonna stop and put ice in it. And
yes, I already ate these.
And I pack up my tent and my rolling buggy. Then I'll have like everything that we use to sit in the stands with. You'll see everything. So let me get ready and I'll get back with y'all guys. You
that I need to go.
You ain't getting wet, are you?
What grade, Harrison? Kindergarten.
In my house, it's gonna freeze up too.
Let me just get that.
You grew up fast.
This is the baby she was pregnant with. Right after I had me.
What's up, YouTube? Back with another video. This is gonna be a get ready, pick an outfit for concert with my nephew. Me and my nephew going to another concert. We're going to the Moneybagg something tour. We're going to a tour and I'm trying to find an outfit. I want to be ahead of the game this time because I got to get the kids from school, get them situated. So I want to have my outfit together. I'm going to put on my nailies. Y'all going to do it with me tonight. And so yeah, I'm pretty much going to wear my basic hair, just roller set, effortless, cute look or whatever, nothing major. It's the outfit for me. So anyway, picked out a few things. Let me show you guys. First of all, I don't pick on my closet, but I'm gonna show you guys. It's packed to the capacity. It's packed to the capacity. Don't mind that, I just made that mess. It is a walkway. Very small closet, but I know where everything is. I promise you I do. Down to a t-shirt. But anyway, been looking for an outfit. That's why I can't wait to move. So off subject. Didn't record today going to the dentist. I have one picture of me sitting in the dentist chair. I didn't record. I was not in the mood for dentistry. I just had to get that seen about because I was feeling bad. My tooth was killing me. So right now, anyway, I got these cargo pants right here that I'm thinking about wearing. And you know how the girls do the shirts? They cut the shirts up. I'm gonna put a clip in from TikTok on how the girls cut the shirt and tie the little rope around the belly. It's kind of cute, effortless. Think about doing the cargos with one of those t-shirts and either my pink Barbie one cut up with my pink Air Max and my pink Gucci bag and my Bottega dupe sunglasses because they have like a little pink in them. That's one outfit. My other outfit is, hold on, I'm back. I had to fix some things so y'all can even see what I was talking about. And another outfit, which I think is going to be my pick, it's going to be this faux leather top, and it's got these stretchy armbands, no bra, whatever. I got it in a size 3X. Put the strings on one side, you know how you make it one-shouldered, with these faux leather pants, these Bottega dupes. I got them from Fashion Nova. How cute are they? And they're in a size 11. Fits so comfy. And the shades are top tier, matched to the perfection. I got these from Fashion Nova as well. Y'all know I'm a fashion queen. Fashion Nova queen. Fashion Nova pants with one of these cute denim jackets, just to tie around my waist and to wear in the restaurant because it's gonna be cold when we eat dinner. And my Prada bag, and it's this, y'all, this Prada bag is so heavy. It don't look like it, but it is heavy, especially when you put the strap bag on there. But I definitely, you can't really carry nothing heavy, and it's like the same material. I'm a material look color girl like that, so it's gonna be either that, or like I said, the cut up shirt with the Air Max with the pink Gucci bag. And I'm not pulling all that out because, like I said, my closet is hideous. But it would be with the pink Gucci bag with either the pink, my little pink shades. Those pink shades are either my Bottega dupes, which are in the baggie right there, with my Gucci bag. So yeah, so basically that's what I'm doing. I'm undecided. I'm gonna go ahead and cut the shirt and try it on. If I like it and I'm feeling it when I get ready to get dressed, it'll be already ready. I just need to throw it on. So I'm gonna watch a couple of videos on my tablet, relax, and do that because I'm really not feeling good. Got that tooth pulled in my stomach. It's just been on 10. Going through some other things as well. But let me get situated, and when I get in the bed to watch a few videos on how to cut this shirt, we're gonna cut this shirt together on camera. And yeah, holla back. Okay, it was really simple. I cut the shirt. I'm gonna show y'all what I did with the scissors. I already cut it, so I'm just gonna show you. The shirt was whole. I cut up the middle, left a little piece at the top. This is a Fashion Nova shirt. It's a 3X. I'll leave it in the description below, so if you like it, you can order it if they still have it in stock. Then I kind of pulled it, you know, to give it that nice crisp look, kind of like, there, I give it that nice curl. Then I cut the sides, and I didn't cut mine all the way because I'm plus size, so I left a little bit more space at the top. Pulled it for the nice clean cut look. Did the same thing on this side, and we're about to try this bad boy on and see what it's giving. Okay, this is the shirt. It says money changes everything. So money changes everything, and it says it pretty much all over the shirt. It's really cute, and I'm gonna cut this bad boy. It's the shirt with the shoes. With this, I'm gonna make this into one of those cute shirts. So yeah, about to do that now. All right, so this is how it looks. I'm not mad at it at all. It's really comfortable. And yeah, this is how it look if it was with these tights and some pink shoes. Really cute. This is the back. Don't mind my little booty. This is the back. And this is the front. I really, really, really like it. And I would wear with those cargo pants with those pink shoes. So it's going to be either this with the started about my toes because I don't have them done. That's why I'm wearing closed-toe shoes tomorrow because I haven't had time to go to the nail shop. I had to get my teeth seen about. I sound clear because I washed my mouth out with the salt water. I have to do it every 4 hours. So it dried up the blood and stuff, and I don't have the cotton in my mouth. So yeah, and I'm about to ice roll my face, so it'll be nice and unswollen for tomorrow. But this is it with the pink shoes, Bottega dupes, Gucci bag, period. So I got my outfits together. One or the other is gonna be it. I ain't gonna be making no debates about it. I'm just gonna put it on and roll with it. Hair gonna be effortless, roller set. Kind of like how I wore to the, and I don't think y'all seen that vlog yet, but kind of like how I wore to the Desi Banks comedy show, that hairstyle, just effortless, roller set, bang, you know, effortless. So yeah, this is it, y'all. It's really, really cute. It's comfy and it's so stretchy. I'm gonna do a little bit more razzle dazzle to it because yeah, this is how the neck looks. I can show y'all. Sorry, it's hard to with this phone. Let me turn around. This is how the neck looks. It's got a little piece up there. So yeah, a little cleavage out. Really cute, y'all. Really cute. Okay, so yeah, got my outfits together. We got this lady's nails. Period.
Nope, that'll do.
About to get some food. All right, so I got the pimento sandwich from Chick-fil-A. This is what it looks like. This is what it's got on it, with pickles, and it's got like a little drizzle to it. It's fresh. I got some fruit. So I'm about to try this sandwich with y'all on live. See, let's see what it tastes like. That's what it looks like. It's different. It's not nasty, but it's not nothing that I gotta have. But it's good. Waffle fries. It's good. I give it a 7 out of 8 or something like that. That's what it looks like. We're about to eat. We're pushing for time. We're gonna try to leave up out of here no later than 6:30 and pull right up at 7 o'clock. So, peace.
This shit larger than life. This shit larger than life. Make some noise in this motherfucker. What an energy and what a love. I wanna see who in this motherfucker. I'm about to pull up some serves. Fucking this bitch on the perm. Smack on the back and go perm. Like that. The burn. Like that. I'm in the turn.
What's up, YouTube? I'm doing a very early video. I went to a concert last night in Birmingham, Alabama, and I got home late, did a little freshen up around the house, and kids go to school with less than 30 minutes. So before I wake them up to get ready for school, I decided I would do some hauls. I ordered some birthday gifts for my hubby, and I ordered a few things for myself. So I'm gonna unbox these things with you. This is not a sponsored video. These are just some items that I bought from with my very own money from Temu and Fashion Nova, of course. We always got a Fashion Nova haul. So don't mind how I look, disclose how I look. I'm just fresh out the shower fresh wash faced, and yeah. So let's just jump right into it. We're gonna start first with Fashion Nova. I had a good time. Me and my nephew went, of course. Had a good time. It was really live. And I'll do another one. Okay, so this is just if I want to return anything that doesn't fit. I'm just gonna open these things up, and I just know this ain't what I think it is. If it is, I'm sending it back, because it feels like cotton and that ain't gonna work. So, oh, no, it's not. So the first outfit I got is a 2-piece matching set, Don't Stop Slinky legging set. It's in a royal blue. Ooh, it's so pretty, y'all. It's in a royal blue. You got this top. So pretty, so soft. I thought it was cotton, but it is like a dressy material. And these cute tights. Probably would definitely wear a thong. They're a little sheer, but not like totally see-through. And I got this in a 2X. So yeah, got that. Shake It Like a Fringy shaking leggings. I'm excited about these. I got these in a 1X because they said they run big, and I didn't want them to run big. I wanted them to have a nice fit to them. Ooh, I like these. Oh my gosh, y'all. Look at this. Super cute. If I had hips, baby, these bad boys would be banging and swinging. And I'm definitely, you can size down. I could have got a large. I could have got an extra large, but I'm glad I got a 1X because I got a little booper. But these are cute. I cannot wait to wear these. I cannot. Put them back in the bag. And I did another order on Fashion Nova, so y'all should be able to see that coming soon. So it was delivered. This is the 3-pack tees. These are some t-shirts. I just opened them up and put them back. They're for my hubby for his birthday. You get 3 shirts, and I'm not really want to unfold them. I'm just gonna unfold one, the black one. This is how they're made. Just some nice t-shirts, and I got them in a size extra large for him to wear. He's gonna really enjoy these. These are some really nice shirts. So yeah, I got these for him. I got to get some boxes to wrap this stuff up in for his birthday. His birthday is in another week and a half. So I'm gonna order him some Ralph Lauren underwear, and it's gonna be it for the birthday boy. Taking him out to just the seafood into the casino for his birthday. So yeah. And I bought him this outfit as well. It's the NFL Raiders, the windbreaker material that everybody's into. I hate the way I'm having to open this bag, but I want to show y'all. This is how it looks. I'm gonna overload it. Ooh, he's gonna like this. This is the front, y'all. Nice material, and this is the back. He's gonna like this. He's gonna really, really, really like this, and it's gonna fit him really nice. And he got some brand new white forces he got for Father's Day. So this is nice. And he got the pants to go to this. I'm not gonna unfold the pants because I just ruined how nicely folded this was. But yeah, I probably put all this stuff in a gift bag. I don't know yet. These are the pants that go to that jacket. So I'm not gonna unfold that. Then I had got me some shoes that I don't need. Just like I don't need any of these clothes. It's just an addiction. And it's gonna end soon. Oh, these are cute. These are just some everyday black. You know, Yeezy no longer exists. So, baby, you can get Yeezys now anywhere. I just think these are adorable, though, y'all. Look at this. With the jewels. Baby, when they... Oh, they didn't come to play. This is freaking adorable. Let's see what's in the other one. And I don't have to try them on. I know they fit because, oh, look at that. Because I have another pair as well, and they're just like this. They got their own jewels already on them. They're like the little bubble slides. Yeah, these are cute, and I got them in a size 11. They fit really good. I got a purple pair like this and a brown pair. To me, the brown pair fits really big. I'm gonna try these on because these gonna be my everydays. And they're supposed to be, yeah, I got them in 11. And I'm gonna pick the camera up and show y'all on my feet. Oh, yeah, they fit so good, so good. Oh my, aren't they cute? Super comfortable, feel just like the I have a real pair of Yeezys when they first came out, and honestly I can't tell the difference when it comes to the weight and the rubber. Yes, because the Yeezy foam runners, the real ones, they have like a really strong rubber feel. These don't, but y'all, they feel the same. So I don't know, $200 compared to $20, I don't know. I'm a girl, so if it's cute, I can wear it. That's my motto. I'm not into the name. Wait a minute, let me take that back, because I don't want y'all to be judging me later on down the line. I love name brand, don't get me wrong, but I'm a like t-shirt name brand, purse name brand, sunglasses name brand type of girl. When it comes to like clothes, Fashion Nova me, Walmart me, Rainbow me, Old Navy me, Ross me, Rue 21 me, Lane Bryant me, you name it. Wherever I see something cute at that I want to buy, I buy it. How about that? Whether it's name brand or not. And yeah, that's it for the Fashion Nova. I got more stuff on the way on there, and I can't wait for that because it has one of my favorite winter pieces coming. And listen to me. Listen to me. When it hits here, baby, I'm ready for it to get cold just to be cute. Uggs in 2 pieces every day, period. But I'm still trying to lose this weight. And but then another subject. This is my team order. It looks like a package from hell. Package from hell. So you have to be careful how you even cut your damn Temu packages, because you're gonna cut your product. Baby, when I tell you they duct tape the shit out of this stuff out of this, sorry about the cussing. You have to just find your way. And it's so exciting. It's like a bag full of like, it's like Christmas when you get Temu stuff, to me. And I got a lot of cute little things, little gidgy gadgets for my car. So. Oh, I've been waiting on this to wash my hair. And I also do hair on the side. I have like 7 clients. And out of those 7 clients, I wash majority of their hair. And I've been needing this. So, love it, you know. Eyebrow razors. I needed one of these today because I used another one. Comment below how many times y'all use these before y'all disregard them and get a new one. got this to go in my window inside of my car. I got this little clampy thing to clamp because I wear multiple sunglasses in my car and I don't have nowhere to put them. Like, I got my everyday sunnies in my car in the, you know, that one little compartment they give you for your sunnies. My everyday sunnies in there. But like when I'm going somewhere, I always have on like my cute sunnies like I did tonight, which y'all see some clips of the concert that I can put on there without being tagged or flagged or whatever. And I need somewhere to put those when they're not on my head. Like when I was driving, I had to leave them on my head because I don't have nowhere in the car to safely put them where they won't break. Because y'all, this past summer, I have broke way too many shades. I'm a shade geek. I love my shades. And I broke way too many shades this year in trying to replace them. And I just ordered me some YSL shades. And yeah, we not, what we not gonna do is we gonna lose them. Okay, so I just ordered some YSL shades, so I'm waiting on those in the mail. So what we ain't finna do is be losing this on no shades. And I bought these for one of my kids. I don't even know if they fit them. Oh yeah, he can fit these. These are for my oldest son for football. These are the colors of his school, and I just ordered him these. Y'all, they nice. I just ordered him these to wear with his football gear. Oh, and I bought this head wrap. I might try it this morning to take the kids to school. It's all white. It's really pretty. It makes it look like the white on my bed is dingy, but it's a stone white. It's a head wrap. It's a turban, they say. So let's see how this bad boy goes. Ooh, y'all, it's huge. If you can't get no cute tie with this, you don't need one. Let's see. Let's see. Right, here is the $30 bonnet that I bought. Now let me tell you, disclaimer, I love these bonnets. They're silk, they don't rub your head, they're comfy, and they're cute, and they're versatile. But I paid $18 plus shipping, which the shipping was like $12 or $15 for one bonnet. I've ordered 3. I spent $100 almost on 3 bonnets. Now I'm gonna show you this bonnet. I paid $1.68 plus tax. This is the 3rd bonnet I bought for $1.68. I spent $5 for the same identical bonnet. Doesn't this make you angry? You can't say it don't make you angry, because it makes me angry. Yeah. So there you have it. Same bonnet, same texture, same design. Look like the same people are sewing this bonnet. One for $1, one for $20. Yeah, Temu's really fucking it up for the entrepreneurs. I bought this for my car, a new armrest, because the one in my car is dingy and it needs to go in the garbage. So I bought a new armrest. All this stuff I'm putting in my car while I'm in the school line this morning. Oh, and I forgot to show y'all this. I honestly don't know what it is. I just bought it because it's cute. It's for my car. It hangs in your vent. Let's see. Oh, it hangs in your vent like so. You stick it in your vent some type of way. Stick it in your vent some type of way, but it goes like this. You just can put little knickknacks in there when you're running around. I'm excited for this as well. And it's the exact same texture as my other stuff that I ordered. And I ordered the Famous Amos Bodega dupes. Did I say Bodega? Bottega. Y'all, it's been a day. Bottega dupes. I bought both pair because I'm in love. I bought the Bottega shades. So I got these. Let's try a pair on. Okay, I'm trying to hurry up because I'm running out of time before my alarm goes off and the kids have to get up for school. Let's put one on. Let's compare. Now this definitely is giving you the Bottega. The Bottega. It's giving me Bottega. Because everybody said that the ones from Amazon are definitely not giving Bottega. So. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Not heavy, but got a little weight to it. Sturdy in the ear. Baby, this is... Yeah, with my Bottega shades. Huh? Rich who? Rich what? And I don't know how much they actually cost, but I'm gonna link the real Bottega dupes, and then I will link these. There's so many places you can get these, honestly. I really don't have to even link them. Just type Bottega dupes, and they're gonna come up. And I ordered them in silver as well, because they're cute. And y'all know how much these cost at Sephora, right? Okay, I ordered 144 patches, and I think I paid $5 for them. The same as at once, because this is exactly how the pack looks at Sephora. So more clothes. I was hoping these was gonna come before I went to the concert last night, but unfortunately it didn't. It didn't give me time to make an outfit, but I got them. And y'all, they are everything. They're cute. This is the pants. I'm thinking about doing color blocking. This is gonna be the piece. Some funky color shirt. Or you remember that shirt I showed you that I cut up that's pink and white? With that, with my pink, oh no, scratch that. Scratch that. We're gonna come up with a cute outfit. I gotta get some inspo. I gotta get some inspo on these. But y'all, the material, long lasting. Let me tell you, long lasting. I'm gonna have these forever. Like, nah, they're not gonna mess up no time soon. So yeah, I'm gonna put these back in the bag. I took out enough stuff I had. But yeah, I'm really happy about that purchase. I was excited about those things. When I saw them on the list, I'm like, ugh, iffy. But y'all, the quality, that's the second clothing I've got. Well, no, I got 3. A friend of mine from work bought me a shirt for autism for my son. Quality, chef's kiss, top tier. I just put it in the washer because I wore it for the second time. Then I have a long sleeve shirt that says Poetic Justice. I showed it in my Temu short. My first couple of Temu purchases, top tier. And then this is my third piece of clothing. And yeah, I don't know, the cotton is expensive. It's starting to make you wonder, like, are these the same people making the name brand luxury stuff? I don't know. Oh, and I bought the Cliff ring to match my bracelet that I wore tonight to the concert. My Clover ring, super cute, and it's adjustable. Loving that for me. And I bought this for my work bag. It's just a V for my name, Veronica. And I bought some waxing pads, because y'all, on my bad hair days, or like my nights, the days that I work, this is really nice to know that I can just tie my hair up effortlessly and go to the store, run my errands. I'm gonna order more of these. I paid like $3 for this. I'm gonna order more of these because Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday is my work days. I work 12-hour shifts. It's hideous, it's crazy, and I can definitely get jiggy with this. Bought another bonnet. I think I told y'all the story. I was buying these bonnets for like $20 from somebody that were selling them with their company, and then I found them for $1.68 on Temu. The exact bonnet. Hold that thought. I'm gonna show you the almost $30 bonnet that I bought, and then ever since then, well, I bought 3 of those $30 bonnets. So hold on.